Gold and silver both have seen a sharp drop with the data coming in from US. Specifically, gold has shaded till towards 1942 levels. However, most important point to note is the support levels at 1940. It is yet to breach. Remember, we have discussed this that till 1940 also there is a chance of a pullback. At the same time, silver also has got the support at 2420 and 24 intact, failing to break past, now trying to gain some ground. So what to expect today? Is it just a retracement, or we can expect a reversal and a rise from here in gold and silver? Which position you should take and at what levels such that you can profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Before leaving the video, just press the like button. That's always been a great motivation. Also do share, subscribe and comment, friends. That is the support which I seek from you all. With that, let's start. Now, if you look at gold's movement, see prices were divergent here from the moving average. It has created a good base here and now trying to retrace. 1955 is the first resistance. Now, three levels which we have been discussing and which I have mentioned several times in recent past. 1940, 45, 50. This is first zone. Second zone, which is most important, is 54, 57, 60. And as and when these levels are breached, the bullishness increases. Yes, it was bearish. As and when these levels got breached on the downside, the bearishness increased, but still it has got the support on the downside and now trying to pull back. Now, see, 1955 still is a slight resistance. However, I will look forward for it to achieve 1960 and 65 zone. This is the resistance zone which it needs to break past by. If gold stays above 1965, that is the time you can say that it is trying to reverse. Now right now it is achieved till towards the 20 period moving average. I will look forward for it to move till towards the 50 and 100 period moving average. Now all these three are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stock IST is back to overbought levels here. And look at MACD. See, MACD was trading with a fat belly here. It is now trying to trade with divergence and reverse a bit. You can see this crossover coming at a very lower levels and hence may try to show a pullback from here. I will wait for it to break past 1957, then 60 and 65 are the two targets which it should try to achieve. RSI looking upwards here. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see first of all consolidation here. First bullish candle, second bullish candle is in formation. We will be possibly looking forward to this zone here. And see on the 2-hour charts, it is still far below from the 20 period and 50 period moving average. Hence, these levels are yet achievable. Gold will try to achieve these levels possibly. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD is here trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. Possibly it should converge and give the second wave here. Now see, if you look at the MACD trading in waves, first wave, second wave, now third wave with a lower level is about to start here. So possibly we can see higher levels, or we can see the price is moving higher from here possibly. RSI rising from the oversold levels. Coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts also, it is trading with bearish. There is a crossover within the 20 and 50 period moving average. The 100 period is still lying below, and this is a mixed indication. Yes, the chances and probability for it to achieve this zone is high. Let's see if it does. RSI rising from the stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge and possibly may give the rise to the second leg of this wave, which is a bullish leg. RSI rising here. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Now see this complete move from 80 to 40. $40. Now 1960 is the median here. So for once it should try to achieve these levels at 1960, 65 before, even if it has to retrace, it has to achieve these levels. That is my expectation, and that is going to be the most strongest resistance for gold for the day. 1960, 65 levels. Mark these levels. 1960 and 65 are going to be the strongest resistance for gold today. Any move above 65 will put gold again in the bullish zone. Now if you look at the formation, I will show you something on the daily charts. Wait for it. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI rising. Now coming to the daily. Now see on the daily charts, this is the base which gold has created, 1920, 1930 levels. This at least should not be breached in any case. If even if it has to trade bearish, since then what it has done, it is still forming a flag here. Now the flag at the bottom at 1940 and the top at 1980. It is still trading in this zone now for the day. And breakout is what we will look forward to, if not today, possibly anytime next month. At the same time, one must not forget any breakout today below 1940 will call the bears there. And if it stays below 1940, definitely that will be a time where we are going to see a sharp crash again. I do not expect this to happen. Possibly it must try to retrace if the bullish basis or bullish bias in gold has to remain intact. It should not break below 1940 levels. For the day, I will recommend you to buy at 1957, expect 1960, 64 and 64, 65. This zone is completely going to be remain the strongest resistance. Yes, it is achievable. Yes, it may try to hit these levels, but this will also remain the strongest resistance for gold, and hence you have to trade with caution at those levels. Second, a sell entry where to now you can sell at 1949.5 levels or 1949 levels. Below that you can expect 1946, 43, 40 nearby milestones, but 43 we have seen it consolidating yesterday. Very good consolidation was seen here, and hence this becomes a great support for the day. So below 43 also 1940 is a great support, only below which we should treat gold as bearish. Else in all means we should expect it to retrace, and I'll be hoping for a 1960-65 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now on the hourly charts, silver has seen good enough consolidation here in this zone between 2410 2420 levels. Very good support exists here. A buying entry I will recommend at 2430 levels here. Expect now see on the upward 2430 2420 zone is definitely a good support. Beyond 2430 is where I will see a little more bullishness coming in, which might pull the prices till towards 2450 and 60 zone. Now these levels are certainly achievable, but it has to stay above 2430 for it to confirm the rise there. Till 2430 we have to be watchful here on silver. At the same time, on the downside 2410 is where the bears will take over again. But let's have a detailed look here. See the stochastic is rising here. MACD was trading with extremely fat belly. It has converged, now willing to cross over and trade with divergence. RSI is flat and trading at bottom. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, if you look at higher highs, lower lows are seen here. Yes, wait for it to break past the highs of this, which means above 2430. Certainly the bulls will take the charge and it will try to fly a little higher. How high? 2450 60 zone is achievable beyond 2430. Hence that is a good buy entry. Now see, moving averages have crossed over here, trading with divergence, and it has got the resistance also. Also, if you look at the complete move, 2510 to 25 or 2410, almost $1 move, which makes the median at around 2460. Now this is the strongest resistance and achievable levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is extremely bearish, trying to converge here. RSI at bottom. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation on the 3 hour charts also, and it is trying to reverse. It has created a strong base. The next candle or next to next candle is what we should wait for. Possibly it could try to achieve these levels here. Stochastic oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. RSI is trading at bottom and trying to recover. And on the 4 hour charts, similar observation, a sell below 2410, a buy above 2430, beyond which we should expect 2450-60 zone. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish here. On the 4 hour chart, MACD has still got the bearishness here, while RSI is trading at bottom. And on the daily charts, if you look at now, look at the daily chart. See one point here. This is the pole, and this is still trying to create the flag here. The support till $24 is very strong today, only below which the bears will try to pull the prices little down. Else it may try to retrace, come somewhere around here at close the day at around 24.50-60. Possibility exists. So yes, you can buy here at 24.30 and expect it to rise for 24.40, 50, 60 till 60. It has got very good resistance, and these levels are achievable. But yes, there are resistances. As we can see, silver is hesitant right now to move. So you have to trade with a trailing stop loss there, and at least stop loss is your entry price. At the same time, a drop below 24.10 is where you should sell, where you can expect 24, below that 23.80 and 23.50 levels. Now if it drops below 24, 23.80, 23.50 levels are achievable. Remember this fact. If it drops below 24, more bearishness will pitch in, and then we can expect it to drop sharply. Stochastic here looking down. MACD has crossed over on and entered into a sell zone here on the daily charts. Note this fact, but it was trading with divergence. It can again convert. But if you look at the daily charts here, see double bottom, first wave. So it is trying to retrace a little here before looking upwards again. On the daily charts, MACD on silver is giving a slight bearish bias or slight bearish indication. RSI looking down. Considering this, you can sell here at 24.10 levels. Expect 24, 23.80, 23.50 levels. On the upside, above 24.30, there are good resistances till 24.60, and these are achievable levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. That's a great motivation always. And also press the bell icons to stay tuned with the latest updates. You can also join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Thank you very much. Join my mentorship batch or signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you before US session. Happy trading. Bye.